Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be super helpful for all of you out there who are new to this field of artificial intelligence and interested in learning about and also how to use the popular ChatGPT by OpenAI. And when I say popular, I mean it. This is probably the fastest growing technology ever when it crossed the mark of 1 million users in less than a week. This is incomparable. So if you want to know more and are curious about chatbots, how to get started with ChatGPT, you're in the right place. We'll be diving into the basics and showing you how to get started using it step by step. But before we begin, let's quickly go over how to register and start using ChatGPT. To get started with ChatGPT, you'll need to register and create an account on the OpenAI website. But don't worry, it's free and super easy to do. Now, obviously, I already have an account, but for you who still don't have one, I want you to know that it's so much easier and faster than you think. So first thing you need to do is to open your browser or a new tab in your already open browser. Then go to this OpenAI web address at chat.openai.com. Then you have two options, to log in or to sign up. But since you are watching this video right now, I will take a wild guess and assume that you don't have an account yet, so click on the sign up button. Here you need to enter a valid email address that you use and choose a password that you remember with at least 8 characters. Then after confirming that you are not a robot, continue to verify your email address and you will be asked to fill in your name and then your phone number. A code will be sent to your phone in order to make sure that it's your real number. And that's pretty much it. The process couldn't be more simple and shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Alright, so now that you have registered and have access to the ChatGPT interface, let's dive into how you can start using it. As you can see, the platform is user-friendly and intuitive. It consists of a chat box where you can type in your prompts or questions and ChatGPT will generate responses based on the input. Now, in order to make an initial short illustrations of how it works, now you can use it. I want to break it down to 4 simple steps: prompt, instruct, iterate, and apply. Step 1 is to start with a simple prompt. It can be a piece of content or information you'd like GPT to generate or a question you wish to get an immediate answer to. Decide what it is that you want and type it up in the chat box. For example, you can ask GPT to write a short story about a cat. Next step is to give specific instructions of how this story should be. For example, you can say that the story will be no less than 100 words, no more than 200 words. You can also require that the story will be written for little kids. You can ask it to be funny. The third step is to iterate and refine. ChatGPT's responses are not always perfect or give you exactly what you hoped for, so if that's the case, don't be afraid to iterate and refine your instructions so you can get the exact result that you want. You can experiment with it and try whatever you want without limitations. Do it until you find the output that most satisfies you. But I remind you that this artificial friend is super smart, so just try to be clear with your instructions. The more accurate you are with what you ask, the more chances you get the exact result that you want right away. The fourth and last step is not really a step actually, it's simply applying what GPT gave you and helped you with. You can copy and paste the output and use it for your needs. Whether it's an article you need to write, a social media post, programming code, or a funny stupid story for kids about a cat. You can also simply read it and enjoy funny jokes or interesting pieces of information. The possibilities are literally endless. So now that you have the basics down, let's briefly mention some of the most popular use cases for ChatGPT. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, write articles, create social media posts, and more. It's exactly like having a writing assistant that can boost your productivity and creativity. Business automation. ChatGPT can assist with tasks like customer service, appointment scheduling, and data entry, helping businesses streamline their operations and improve efficiency. Education. ChatGPT can provide explanations, answers to questions, and even help with studying and learning new concepts, making it a valuable tool for students and educators alike. Finance. ChatGPT can provide insights and recommendations, helping users manage their money wisely and make informed investment decisions. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with ChatGPT. We will dive much deeper in future videos. Okay, so to summarize, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can assist you with a wide range of tasks. With the user-friendly interface and options you can customize, it's easy to get started and experiment with different prompts and instructions so you can get the outputs and results that you want. You now know how to get started. So I invite you to go and register on the OpenAI website and give it a try. Start playing with it, getting to know the platform basics. In future videos, we'll be covering more in-depth use cases of ChatGPT. So make sure to subscribe now, get notifications for all future content and important updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next video.